Your code base just got a new employee, one that never sleeps. Anthropic just turned Claude into a 24/7 autonomous developer that writes, reviews, tests, and ships code while you're offline. But before we break it down, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now that you've done it, let's break this down. Claude Code just announced something called routines. And here's how it works. You configure it once, a prompt, your GitHub repo, connectors like Slack APIs, and that's it. Claude runs in the cloud. It triggers on a schedule, on API calls, on real events like a PR opening, and then it spins up a full session, edits code, runs tests, and opens PRs on its own. So imagine this. A pull request opens. Now what does Claude do? Reads the issue, reviews the diff, runs tests, suggests fixes, or directly ships a patch, all while you're engaged doing something else. Open source agents like OpenClaw already proved autonomy, but they were complicated and not very pretty. One needed orchestration layers, cron jobs, MCP servers, infra glue. Anthropic has stripped all of that, which has made autonomy boring, deployable, but enterprise ready. I guess we all realize that this is way bigger than just coding, because the highest ROI workflow on earth is software. And Anthropic is now owning the agent, the infra, the workflow end to end. And they didn't just stop there. Anthropic also redesigned the entire Claude Code desktop experience, opening the doors for you to start orchestrating multiple agent sessions running in parallel, integrated terminal, diff viewer, in-app editor. So how did it work earlier? One wrote code and the AI helped. But now one only needs to define the intent and the AI executes. This is now transformed into the ownership of the software development loop. Anthropic also is building always-on agents inside your repos with full context, running independently. And here, of course, is the front page take. We have spent 20 years automating parts of software development: autocomplete, code review, testing pipelines. Each one a tool a developer picked up and then put down. Routines changes that entirely. The code base no longer waits for a developer to show up. It has something already working. The competition in software is no longer about who writes better code. It is about who deploys better agents. Anthropic just made that competition considerably more interesting. We would love to know about your thoughts about this particular development in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.